So, we have 4 TCITX, the Gig City Integrated Terminal Exchange ang haba, diba? So, TCITX lang siya. Yan, nakalagay dito, TCITX. So, TCITX, dito siya sa bungad. It is this square na to, this whole block. It's 5 hectares in size, 5.56, parang ganun. Pero 5 hectares lang, so 5 hectares yung total nito. It's gonna be this huge integrated terminal, diba? It's going to be, yung pwede nyo sabihin sa client, actually they're doing pre-construction works and target completion of the first section, guys. So first section is from Arca South to C5. Target completion on is 2028. Okay? Pero all the way to Batasan Complex to NQC. Pero the first section, di ba, yung this C5, 2028, sure ka na may, may skyway access. And ang maganda is, meron tayong on and off ramps, dedicated off-ramps, dedicated inside Arca South. So the on-ramp, facing na yung commercial district. Yun lang. So, we have, I think, 17 units available, halos lahat facing there. Actually, lahat facing there. So, kasi right now, first 3, tapos na yan, and may community na dyan ever since 2018. Tinurn over kasi ito 2018, 2019, 2021. So, medyo marami nang nakatira dyan. Si 4th and 5th, we started turnover last year lang. So, here, in the 5th nga, ongoing turnover ground floor to 10th floor. So, may mga available units tayo within those floors. Kung yung client nyo gusto nang agad-agad mag-move in, di ba? Or rental, feeling ko mas may edge or mas may advantage si GCR over Arbor's. Okay, yan. Tapos, the one at the back, sige, sa likod tayo. Sa likod. Sa likod, ito yung iba, the-drive ka dito. Usually, dito yung drop-off. Mayroong motor court ka dito sa common lobby or garden. Okay, and then unit mix. Ano yung mga units na available? One, maganda sa GCR, hindi siya maraming, walang mga special units masyado. So, very straightforward. 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. If your clients are looking for units facing the courtyard bedroom, kung hindi naman sila nagmamadali mag-move in, magaganda yung dito kasi fitness park na yung ATM. Here, 7%. So here, these are the C units. East facing yan. Tapos, ayan, distance nito from veranda is about 30, 2-bedroom din siya. What I like about G is meron ka ng parking slots. 2-bedroom na sa mas mataas na base compared to Arbor Lanes, diba, ang tatlong balcony na to. Kasi, one for the living and dining, one for the we're entering through the balcony. Sabihin nyo, miss, this is your showman. You're greeted by the wide expanse of your balcony and you're the most essential na. So, besides the range hood, the SMEG range hood, the SMEG induction stove, diba, unlike our older projects, we now include the SMEG electric oven. So, Arbor Lanes and everything before GCR, walang oven na included. May abang lang na may specific dimension. So here, hindi na kailangan ni client mag-isip or maghanap pa kasi you already provide for the oven, which is also SMEG. So yan, buong unit na yan that's included.
Range hood, electric oven, and
The electric oven and the induction stove.
induction.
Yeah. Kung gusto niyo ng mas technical ang tawag sa buo nito, freestanding range. Yan o. Yeah, pwede nyo ituro yan o. Ang included dito is the SMEG freestanding range and range install pa ng anything. Kasi water heater meron na. Hindi na din tayo nag-make use ng multi-point or top-loaded. Pwede din kayo mag-add ng extra shelving. So these are linear. Yeah.
Yung ilaw?
Yes.
Doon din sa...
Yes, kasi sa Arbor medyo umis ang ilaw, di ba? Mas maganda yung handles and may accent. Ang common feedback kasi or reklamo sa Arbor is masyadong basic.
Matunay pala to.
Walang kulang sa accent. So ito, may maganda texture. Natin, like I mentioned, painted finish. So wala to. Wala yung mga desk, wala yung shelves. Pin lights. So all pin lights and all fire suppression systems. Way better than this, di ba? Hindi siya dark yung mga striations ng wood. Ayun. Kasi in the actual unit, ang one bedroom ranges from 67 yung ACC room and yung balcony sa 67 to 7.
El Nido.
Wow! Ito pa yung layout para mas madaling i-implement. Oh my God! History na to. Okay, so ito, 2-bedroom, your balcony, your view, and your living and dining area. So, pero wag niyong buksan yun kasi pantry. Although kung gusto niyan tubig, sige lang. Pero when your clients are here, wag niyo na. So, for mga international clients natin na mas accustomed to dishwasher, pwede pang 2 year and up lang, yung dishwasher condition niya. Paano na lang nila? Interior, di ba?
Ako na lang magkakabit.
And the engineered oak. Walang included na shelves and desk. So it will basically serves as the bathroom of the secretary. Ito kasi powder room lang. Ito, toilet and bathroom. So everything is black marble and all the... Yeah. Tapos guys, ito, pag tinanong ni client, kasama ba to? No, the wall actually just starts from here. So this is just part of the showroom. So mas malawak pa actually siya kasi dito push pa. Ayan. So here, ito yung glass sliding door mo, connected to sa
Malayo kasi sa sa Makati, guys.
I think it's only clean. Hindi siya clean. Oo.
Guys, question.
Ang ballpark figure nito is 58 to 60 m.
Too bad.
Pero again,